Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you something that can completely transform the way you trade, especially if you've been struggling with direction, confusion, or too many indicators cluttering your charts. Because let's be honest, most traders fail for one simple reason. They don't know the market direction with confidence. They stare at the charts, they stack indicator after indicator, they draw lines everywhere, and in the end, they still guess. And guesswork is the fastest way to inconsistent results.
That's exactly why I want to share something powerful with you, something designed to give you clarity, confidence, and precision. It's called FX Block Trader, a complete MT4 trading solution built around calculated bias direction and smart trend analysis. And trust me, this is not another complicated system that leaves you more confused than before. This one actually simplifies trading in a way most traders have never experienced.
FX Block Trader is built on a simple philosophy. Simple, clean, effective. Instead of drowning you in indicators, it delivers the information that truly matters: direction, trend strength, and whether the market is worth trading at that moment. You'll instantly see when the market is trending, when it's flat, and which direction institutional money is flowing. And the best part? It shows everything with simple, color-coded signals. Blue means buy, red means sell. If the market is flat, you're advised to wait. That's clarity most traders only dream about. Imagine opening your chart and instantly knowing the calculated direction, knowing whether institutions are pushing the market, and knowing whether conditions are right for a trade. No more guessing, no more conflicting indicators, no more hesitation. Just smart, calculated guidance that aligns you with big market players. FX Block Trader also gives 100% non-repaint signals you can trust, and it works on all MT4 instruments, Forex pairs, commodities, indices, everything. It also includes built-in alerts, so whether you're at your desk, on your phone, or checking email, you'll never miss an opportunity. And if you're a new trader, you'll appreciate how beginner-friendly it is. If you're experienced, you'll love using it as a powerful confirmation tool. One thing I really like is how the system teaches you to focus on what truly matters. Instead of trying to predict reversals or forcing trades in choppy markets, FX Block Trader helps you follow strong trending conditions, just like institutional traders do. Institutions don't guess, they follow direction, and now you can too. Plus, you're fully protected with a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can test it, use it, trade with it, and experience the clarity it brings, completely risk-free. If it doesn't simplify your trading or make your decision-making easier, you get your money back. Simple as that. So if you're tired of guessing direction and ready to trade with real confidence, check out FX Block Trader. It might be the simplest and most effective upgrade you make to your trading this year. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.